Hello to all of you awesome vendors and merchants that are going to be coming out to Elkton Fall Fest 2019. My name is Meredith. I'm the owner of Grunge Muffin Designs, and I put together a quick tutorial to show you guys how to add the Fall Fest events to your Facebook business pages under your events listing without accidentally creating a duplicate event, and specifically for folks that are not a co-host on the event but still want to show that they are going to be going to the event. So if that sounds confusing, just follow along. This is how to, again, add the event to your Facebook business page. So I'm on the Elkton Fall Fest main page. And once you're here, you're going to click on events. This is going to show the upcoming events that Elkton Fall Fest is the host of. You're going to find the Friday night event, the kickoff party, and then the Saturday main event. And we're going to start with the Friday event. We're just going to click on it. It's going to open up the actual event listing. You're going to come over near where the share button is, and you're actually going to click on this ellipsis. That's what those three dots are called. You're going to scroll down to where it says add to page. Click on that. And then it's going to come up with a list of pages that you're the admin of. So if you have a business page and you're the admin of that business page, it should appear in this list. Now, I'm the admin of a lot of pages, so I'm just going to go ahead and click my main business, Grunge Muffin Designs, and I'm going to add that event to my Grunge Muffin page. And it now appears on my Grunge Muffin business page in my upcoming events list. Again, I'm not a co-host on the event as Grunge Muffin Designs, and I don't want to accidentally create a duplicate, so this is how we get that event to show up on our business pages. I'm going to now go back to Elkton Fall Fest, and I'm going to do the same thing for Saturday. Now you'll notice that my list technically was showing Saturday already. That's because I added it previously, but just to show you guys again, you go to the Elkton Fall Fest main page, you go to their events listing, you go to the Saturday main event now and open that up, and then click on this ellipsis, scroll down to where it says add to page, and then from the list of drop downs, you might only have one business or two businesses, but you're going to find the one that you want to add the event to and then click add event. And now it appears in that business's list of upcoming events. And that's how you add an event to your page, guys. Again, hope you found this tutorial helpful, but this is to avoid accidentally creating duplicate listings for Fall Fest and how to show that you're going to have this event coming up in your business's near future. But I'll see you guys this weekend. Thanks.